Alright, come on, cameraman.
So, by the title of that, y'all know what's gonna happen today. But let me get my intro. Come on, bro, let me shout get my intro. Huh? So, it's your boy Brian in a cut.
Hey.
So yeah, it's your boy Jakari. So today we're just gonna be watching fireworks. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know who my cameraman did? Show him the face. And make sure y'all go follow them. Make sure y'all go follow them YouTube at Gabriel and go follow their old YouTube. Yo, Mama is not. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for tomorrow. They not gonna be here tomorrow because I'm going to Claxton to watch the big fireworks. But yeah, and bad news. Tell them chill. Tell them what's happening. You. Tell them what's happening. In 5 and 2 weeks. Tell them what's happening.
Come on, man, tell him. Me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's going to school, and we're not gonna be able to see him.
Well, yeah, I'm going to school in 5 more weeks.
But we still call him and stuff.
And I'm moving in 2 more weeks, so I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna make a YouTube video about my new house. I'm staying here for one more year.
1 more year.
I don't want to stay in Georgia anymore. Ask your mama to move in Richmond Hill with me.
No, we're gonna have to move in Orlando. And when I get off my camp trip,
When we get on the campus trip, we
No.
see our big bro,
when I
our grandpa, and our dad. But yeah, earlier I tripped right here.
that little lame ass.
So I'm dummy cousin. So just going on a real video.
I didn't say it. I said ass.
Next week, team. You got that.
No, I didn't.
Hey, say what King Azirbi said.
Papa Big fireworks!
Step
You
up,
say-
player. Lock in, Zaddy.
Step up, player. Lock in, Zaddy-o.
I gotta show you something.
Yeah, somebody edit that.
Please don't edit that.
Make it look goofy.
Man, please get me to like 100. See, it's my first YouTube channel.
We had more subscribers than him.
Because I just started this YouTube channel.
Oh, dang. I caught that.
Hey, make sure y'all, or just give me the 100 likes and 200 subscribers. I know that's a lot, but I'm just trying to grind, make money for my mama, you know. Yeah. You know. Yeah.
Okay.
But we'll get back to y'all when the real fireworks start happening. There y'all go. But keep recording. Keep recording.
Okay.
Wait, get it.
Boom.
Yeah, he knows. Oh, right there. We getting lit in that mud.
Hey, we got land them up.
Garmin, check up. The glass is my store. Recording, Jay. You might be good recording.
Ooh.
Come on now.
Lila. What that?
That's not
What that?
trouble. That is. No? I did 2 carry actually. Carry.
A street ball.
No, it's not. Yes, it is. We're not on the court. So you don't have to be on the court. Free ball. Right there. Right there.
I got some pictures for you.
Yo,
I was taking some pictures too.
Why?
Cause.
Why, big boy?
Oh. Hey, you can put it as a thumbnail. I'll show you how to do it.
Oh, thumbnail. Take a thumbnail. Take a thumbnail. When a big firework comes, we go. There you go. You got a thumbnail?
Thank you. Should we pause it?
No.
Alright.
Yeah. Sorry, I quit.
We'll be right back.
Thumbnail.
What? Too late.
No, y'all don't be in the thumbnail, bro.
Alright.
No, me and Jeremiah in the thumbnail. But they gonna know that you recording. Oh, come on.
Come on. Ah, you missed it. Your mouth was too late.
Once you hear that, boom, that means it's about to come. Hey. No, once you hear it, boom, that means it's coming. I put Jeremiah on 1, 2, 3. I said, listen. Y'all, we gonna take a thumbnail for y'all.
You gotta be honest, it sounded like gunshots when that big one just came up.
Hey, what that is? You hear that crackling?
That's water.
Oh, it's sprinkling.
Imagine me at 12 a.m.
Imagine them.
Well, y'all stay close, just in case we hear fire.
Imagine them hitting it at 3 a.m.
I think everybody's done already.
There's a cockroach on your back. On your back.
Where?
It's angry.
No!
Yo, on a moment that guy was crawling on your back.
It's weird.
We actually not kidding, bro.
Is it this?
No, it wasn't
It
that.
was a cockroach crawling, bro.
I seen the whole
We
cockroach.
not playing, bro. Right there, thumbnail.
Oh, it's too late. We all for real?
Yes. So I looked at your shoulder. I was like, is that a roach or a leaf?
Because it was brown.
Because when I took it off, I found the leaf.
So that leaf been there.
No, because I took my shirt off right there.
No, bro. How would a leaf just fly?
What?
Yeah.
Y'all for real? Is that actually for real?
Yes.
So like if I lift this up right now?
It's probably crawled away.
No, because I was looking at it the whole time.
Really? I seen a cockroach.
But y'all better not be lying to me, bro.
We're not lying
On everything.
on everything. Merch. The cockroach on you.
Bro, it ain't falling out.
That means
It's probably gone. It's been probably gone, buddy.
put your shirt back on.
No, I don't want to.
Probably was a flying cockroach.
Hold on.
That's the person that was probably flying.
Where?
I think they caught big one. Yeah, you like that.
Look at that. That boy found a cockroach and hit you. I was about to say, is that somebody shooting the gun?
Oh yeah. Just take it. I don't want to just crawling up on me.
It's not.
I ain't sound like a normal shirt.
Pick it up.
Yo, before I hear this, does it sound like a normal shirt?
Yes.
No, it does not.
You might fling your shoulder.
talking about is out.
See? That's regular. My shirt isn't regular because it's
It sounds different now.
rabbit.
Well, y'all, we can't do a thumbnail, so.
But at least I took some pictures. And we can just put it as a thumbnail.
Hey, I'm trying to tell him.
Hey, but video over. There's no more fireworks. That was a little bit. But peace out and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And you know, love y'all. Say y'all goodbye. Say y'all goodbye. Say y'all goodbye. Bye. Peace.